Now here you can see today we'll be dealing with the topic that is known as spermatogenesis. What is spermatogenesis? Spermatogenesis is basically the formation of sperm. So here we have three question arises: where, why and when. So where does spermatogenesis occur? So spermatogenesis occurs in the seminiferous tubule of the testis. Why does spermatogenesis occurs? It occurs due to sperm production. It is a sperm producing cell. And when does it occur? It occurs from puberty. Now here in my previous video you have already seen this is the structure of tubule, seminiferous tubule. You can see this is known as a spermatogonia or a sac containing the sperm cell, and here you have this germinal epithelium layer. This is known as a germ cell. Here you have triangular pyramidal cell, that is known as Sertoli cell. Now here in the spermatogonia, male germ cells are there that produces germs. Now here you can see this structure. This is actually a structure, diagram of the formation of the sperm cells. Now here you see the basic is, we'll be dealing with the two part. First is formation of spermatids and second is the morphogenesis or metamorphosis of the spermatid to sperm cell. Now here you see there is first, this is one cell that you get it from the seminiferous tubule. This is 2n in number, and that particular single cell of this spermatogonia cell, it is known as the primordial sperm cell. Now this primordial sperm cell, in first it comes to the multiple phase. So multiple phase of primordial germ cell, you get a simple mitotic division. You see it undergoes simple mitotic division and the division is diploid. That means 2 chromosomes. Okay, this is basically 2n chromosome, and this particular stage, in this case, it is known as a spermatogonia. Just diploid cell, simple. Now after that, this multiple phase, this enlarges, and that is known as a growth phase. They again divides. That means 1 is to 2, 2 is to 2 is to 2. That means 4 cells produce, and one single cell that is still diploid forms the primary spermatocyte cell. Now this primary spermatocyte cell undergoes meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, and as you know, this is a reductional division. 2n gets into nn, and that is known as a secondary spermatocyte cell. Now this secondary spermatocyte again divides into 2, and then that is these cells are known as the spermatids. Now when these spermatid cells undergo with the hormonal influence, these get converted into sperm cell. They develop a head and a tail portion. The head gets attached to this Sertoli cells. These Sertoli cells, the head of the sperm cell, get attached, and that is the point where you call it as the maturation of the sperm or spermiogenesis. See, from spermatids it undergoes spermiogenesis, and this spermiogenesis helps in the production of sperm. Okay, now when the production of sperm, when the head of the sperm gets attached to this Sertoli cell, these are nutritive medium, and that is the time when this sperm, they are released from the seminiferous tubule, and that particular form is known as spermiation. That means spermiation is release of the sperm from the seminiferous tubule, and this basically happens through the hormones I had discussed earlier, through the Leydig cells that secretes testosterone, and this whole process of formation of primordial sperm cell, formation of primary spermatocytes, formation of spermatogonia, secondary spermatocytes, spermatids, this entire thing depends on that.